Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to maintain petty cash book for small branch or shop. I just give each and every step for accounting as well as how to maintain book in Excel. This will be a very simplest method to record transactions and to prepare trial balance also. Let's start our video. First, it should start with date. Just enter date. After that, whenever there is some transaction, there should be some voucher number to get record of that transaction. So voucher number. Next one is payment or receipt, paid to or received. Both you can mention in the same column. Then details for payment or income. Next one is whether it is related to expenditure or income. We should know account head. For expenditure, debit. For income, credit. We should know before starting transaction how much cash we have in our concern. So opening balance. First thing is just format it with currency. Opening balance always in credit side. So put some number. I say for example I put 5,000 rupees. Then whatever transaction you just enter it simply. First voucher number, pay details, purchase of paper. So automatically we will come to know that it will be a stationery item. So put stationery. How much amount you just enter it. For credit side, you just make sure that voucher number should be a differentiate with payment side. So differentiate with R, receipt 1. Other income 300 rupees. You just keep on enter the whatever expenses. Enter the expenses and income. For example, here withdrawn from bank, just mention the check number as well as amount. The same way expenses also, just give some clear idea what it is. If it is related to office maintenance, just mention for month, and paid details also you can give. Give some simple explanation whenever there is required. The advance given to employee, just give the employee name properly. If the ID is there, just give ID also, so that when we try to create trial balance, it will be reflected properly. This part is over now. When we make whole column is formatted with currency, this date also got changed. So this needs to be changed to date format. For that, just simply make it date. Okay. Then just give some formatting so that it will be presentation will be good. I just highlight it. Okay. Now our part is how to get the balance. Simply you just type equal to sum, just give range. That's it. Same way, just copy here also. To get closing balance, credit minus debit, that's all. So our 14th February closing balance is 4475. So this closing balance next day will be a opening balance. For that the format should be same, so you just copy entire thing. Just to copy, then paste this to give 2 spaces, 2 rows, then enter. Once you enter, you just remove all the items. So format will be intact. You just give reference of closing balance here, just give it. Once you get opening balance, then just change it to next working day. Again just enter the expenses and income. Once you created daily expenses or income report, first to differentiate one day to another, just to select it, then highlight it with the differentiation, block it. Okay, after that click on formulas, create from selection, then top row, automatically it creates name range. So one by one you just do it, so that it will be very easy to identify date. I just made it for 3 days. You just make it for entire month, then it will be very easy for you. The main purpose is when the Excel sheet is very long, we can able to get day simply. If you click it here, you will get it. How to generate trial balance? First thing is we need to get all the account head. Just to copy entire thing of account head, just copy, just move it here, paste, then remove duplicate. So we got all the account head. I am just going to use only simplest formula, sum if. Once we get the sum if, then we can able to generate trial balance very easily. This is for debit side, this is for credit side. First for stationery, sum if first give range, freeze or fix with F4, comma, just give reference stationery, then which column you want, debit side or credit side, you just give range. Enter. Just copy it. Next rows. Same way you do it for credit also. Sum if account head range, fix it with F4, comma, reference stationery, comma, just give credit side. Freeze, enter. Only thing is we have to add opening balance. For that you just add opening balance. $5,000. If you want, you can check it up. Advanced employee, both sides are tallied. 1,000 rupees debit, 1,000 rupees credit. After adding opening balance, then there should be a closing balance. So we must know what is the closing balance. 3,555. Same formula, sum or alt equal to. So trial balance is tallied. So same way we can do for entire month or entire days. Once it is created, we can do trial balance for each and every month. Once we generated each and every month, then automatically we can do for entire year. If you like this video, please comment it, share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.